What's up guys, MTmotoRIDER here, and in this video I'm going to do a review on my radiator guard for my 2019 MT-09. So back in May I did an installation video of a radiator guard for my 2019 MT-09. If you didn't see that video, I'll put a card right up here so you can check that out. But I did have a question in the comments about how it's held up and everything, so I figured I'd do a video, so let's check it out. Alright, so here's the radiator guard. Now it came from Amazon. At the time of doing this video, you can have this radiator guard for, I believe, $45.99. I will include a link in the description so you can get to it if you would like to pick one up. As far as I can tell from the product page on Amazon.com, it doesn't even have a brand name or anything like that. It's just a plain black aluminum radiator guard. I won't go into detail about how to install it because I did do a video on that, but you do take these side covers off and they mount up underneath both of those on both sides. And it also came with pieces of rubber with 3M tape on the back to keep it from vibrating against the radiator itself, which I've had it on here since May. Not had any issues whatsoever, haven't had any vibration or anything like that. So in my opinion, this radiator guard is a really good buy. And it's cheaper than some of the others that you can get. I mean, I know I've seen some for well over $100. And this right here has done great for me. I've had it on here for a few months now. Had no issues whatsoever. So if you're looking for a radiator guard, you know, at a budget, I believe this one would do you really good. It's definitely a decent part for only 46 bucks, like I said. But yeah, if you're looking for a radiator guard at a budget, definitely go pick one up. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video on the radiator guard. Like I said before, it's a great radiator guard for what it is for $46. Cheap, easy to install, and it'll save you some money. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Definitely get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.